this is Rob for Rob's Guitar School, and welcome to another quick riff. Now I have a nice, easy one for you. It is it's the main riff for Barracuda by Heart. So let's get right to it. Okay, we got some cool rock kind of techniques going on here. It sounds like horses galloping. So what's going on here? So I'm playing string 6 here, but I am also using what's called a palm mute. So this would be my palm, and the fleshy part of my hand right here is touching the 6th string here, but not in the middle here. It's really close to the bridge here. So I would say maybe like a ½ inch, because if I was to go down here, definitely has a different sound. We want a good kind of rock chunk. You know, Metallica has all this kind of stuff. So many, thousands of bands. Okay, so while my palm is parked here, maybe you can kind of see. This. That's where my palm is. Okay, so I'm muting. Now I'm going down, down, up, down. So that's what my picking is doing with my right hand. Just on string 6, open, down, down, up, down. So that's our picking pattern. Down, 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 down. So we're going to do that 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do it 4 times with down, down, up, down. Sorry, it's 8. So then what you're going to do here, after that, you can hit the 2nd fret of string 6. Then you do an open G chord. Okay, so open G here, if you don't know it, we'll put a chord chart here for you, but you get pinky here on string 1. Remember, our strings are numbered from the bottom to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pinky is here. 3rd finger is on string 2 at the 3rd fret. Then my 1st finger is on string 5 at the 2nd fret. And then my middle finger is on string 6 at the 3rd fret. You strum all those strings. So you go. Then the last piece, the pièce de résistance, is on. What we're going to do is we're going to do a natural harmonic on strings 2, 3, and 4. So if you don't know how to do a natural harmonic, we'll just go at it real quick here. What you do is you touch the string. I'm going to touch string 2 right over the metal part, the fret wire at the 12th fret. Hear that? So I'm not fretting the note. I'm just lightly touching it, and as soon as I touch it, I pick it, I release, letting the note ring out. So in this case, what we're doing here is we are doing strings 2, 3, and 4 right over the metal part, the fret wire, all at the same time. Pretty cool sounding, huh? So, it's cool when you start off this riff with kind of like a slide going down. All I'm doing here is I'm starting somewhere in the middle of the neck here. I pick the note and then slide down quick. So. Even do something kind of cool where you can bend, after you do this, you can bend the neck a little bit. Now be careful, as you don't want to break your neck. I didn't say break the neck, I said bend it. And what you're doing here is you're kind of having the guitar trapped between, tucked in with your body here. You're holding the instrument with the palm of your hand, and you are slightly pushing forward with your left hand here. You gotta do it fast. So that's how that works. Okay, so one more time on it. Okay, and that is it on this song. Oh yeah, one thing. So if any of this was too fast for you, what you can do is in YouTube they have a great feature where you can slow down the video without making it sound differently. It just makes it slower. So if you click on the little cog icon, you can slow the video down to like 75% or 50%. And it's a great way as a guitar player to learn how to play something and slow it down so you can kind of, you know, go at your own speed with it. So if you love this lesson and you'd love to learn guitar, you can learn guitar from us online through Zoom with real teachers. So there's a link in the description. If you click on that link, you can set up a free online Zoom lesson with one of our awesome instructors. And during that free lesson, he'll learn your goals on guitar and teach you something right away, or he or she will learn your goals right away and write them down and then teach you something right away to get you started. And if you want to continue lessons with us, we have a special that will give you 20% off your first month of tuition. So it's an awesome deal. We love teaching guitar and we want to help you out. We want to make it fun and easy for you. So click on that link and get started. And otherwise, we'll see you next time for quick riffs or some of our master videos where we get really dive into songs. All right, so here we go. All right, bye guys.